Hi Dam, salamat po sa lahat ng turo mo sa amin. Mamimiss ka namin. Sana po pagdating ng bagong journey mo, maging successful ka. Mamimiss ka namin. I love you, Dam!
Hi, Madam!
I need
Be happy and stay healthy. Sana may God will bless you and guide you to your next journey. And nandito lang po kami para isupport ka. So, salamat po dahil you're so very kind na manager and you're the best. Thank you po. Ay atinda ka amin.
Hi Dam, good luck sa new journey mo. Sana mag-ingat ka lagi. Ingatan ka ng Panginoon. Alam ko kaya mo lahat ng pagsubok na dumarating sa buhay mo. Basta mamimiss ka namin. Ingat ka palagi. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Madam. Madam, thank you po sa pangangaral sa akin. Saka, kung saan man kayo magpunta, Madam, dalhin mo yung pagiging mabait mo, humble, saka peaceful. Thank you po. Bye, Ma'am.
Hi Madam, good evening. Gumawa pala ako ng short message para magpasalamat. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan. Salamat sa mga magagandang pinakita mo sa akin. Di lang pala sa akin, Dam. Halos sa lahat. Salamat sa masaya at malungkot na samahan. Good luck, Ma'am, sa new journey mo. Happy kami sa panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. I love you so much, Madam. And I love you. I miss you so much, Dam. I miss you so much. Dam, I hope more opportunities to come. Take care always, Dam. We love you. And God bless. Nandito lang kami para kabayan ka. I miss you. I love you. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am Jai. You're just one step away from your dream. I wish you all the best in your future endeavor. Your leadership and kindness will have been an inspiration to all of us. It's been an honor working with you. Salamat sa mga advice mo, Madam. Best of luck and have faith that God is always with you.
Hello po, Madam. Mamimiss kita. Mag-iingat ka palagi doon. Tapos, isipin mo palagi, maraming blessing ang darating sa buhay mo. Kayang-kaya mo lahat ng problema. Kasama kita palagi sa mga prayers ko. Salamat talaga kasi naging bahagi ka rin ng buhay ko. Salamat sa mga naituro mo din. Naging madam ka namin, naging staff mo ko. Basta pag may wish ka, maghanap ka lang ng laurel. Pwedeng magsunog ng laurel. Alam mo naman yung instruction doon. Tapos pag may mga negative na tao, alam mo na yung dadalhin mo, asin. Tapos sabuyan mo din sila nang di nila alam. Yun, mamimiss talaga kita, Madam. I love you, Madam.
Hello po, Miss Jai. Good day. Sana po maging okay kayo sa next journey niyo. Good luck po. And thank you po sa lahat ng mga advice. Maalala ko po lahat yun. Sana all malaya na. Bye-bye. Good luck po, Acha.
Hi, Jai. First of all, thank you so much for the gift of friendship. Although, sandali lang tayo nung nagkasama, hindi ganun kahabang taon. I really enjoyed being with you as a person na puno ng good vibes, na talagang very outspoken, outgoing, pero at the same time, I really feel that you have a very soft and loving heart. Talagang may soft spot ka for all the people that you love and care for. That makes you very beautiful inside and out. And I wish you so much happiness in this new journey of yours. I hope that you find everything that you wish for, and yung mga new lessons, experiences that will make your life richer. So, God bless you on this new journey. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo, and at the same time, always enjoy life. Maiksi lang naman din talaga eh, so make the most of it. Make sure that you enjoy every step of the way. Take care.
Hello sa aking kaibigan na pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng universe. Ang pangalan niya si Jainilyn Villar. So yun, sabi daw ni Chelsea kung gagawa daw kami ng video para sa'yo. Parang one last goodbye. So siguro na yung masasabi ko lang is ayun, good luck in your new journey. Kung saan ka man dalhin ng inyong kapalaran. So, alam naman natin na that you're going to Canada. So, yun, good luck sa'yo. So, sana wag kong makalimot at saka mamimiss ka namin, mamimiss kita of course kasi na tayo yung isa sa mga halos magkakasabayan. Tsaka yung ka-close ko dito sa UAE, dito sa Dubai. So, maraming salamat for your friendship sa lahat-lahat. So, yun, wala naman akong ibang feeling sa'yo kundi yung true happiness mo in the future kung ano man. So, I always keep praying for you, so for your happiness, for your success in life. Tapos, mag-ingat ka dun sa Canada. Tsaka, huwag mo kaming kalimutan ng mga naging kaibigan mo dito sa Dubai. Ayun yun, kailangan pa bang umiyak? Yan, basta happy lang. Tapos yun, good luck sa panibagong chapter ng buhay mo soon, and stay happy and stay beautiful. Wow, Nax. Yun lang din, sige, ingat lagi, and chat na lang sa Facebook, tsaka huwag mo kaming kalimutan. Okay, sige, bye bye.
Hi, Madam Jai. Thank you sa 2 years na pagsasama natin, sa mga memories, sa mga kulitan natin lahat. Ayun, wish ko sana yung good luck sa mga opportunities mo. Sana magkatotoo lahat ng wish mo, at pag nandiyan ka na sa huwag mo kami makakalimutan. Ayun, i-treasure ko lahat ng memories natin together, lahat ng masasaya, lahat ng kulitan, iyakan, dramahan sa buhay. Ayun. Basta kahit anong mangyari, mag-pray ka. Huwag mo kakalimutan, at mga taong nandito, mga friends mo, sana huwag mo kami kalimutan. Love you!
Hi, Madam Jai. How are you? Sorry, hindi ako makakapunta sa farewell party mo, pero alam mo naman na hindi yun ang basehan ng love ko sa'yo. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa lahat ng naituro mo sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, sa aming lahat. And sana gabayan ka ni Lord sa journey mo sa life. And sana bigyan ka pa niya ng malakas na pangangatawan para ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo. Salamat sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin. Naiyak ako. Hindi ito yung huling pagkikita natin, Madam. Sure yan, promise. Susundan kita, charot. Thank you kasi inalagaan mo ng mabuti yung IBN family. At naging mabuti kang manager sa amin. Masakit man sa amin lahat na aalis ka, pero alam ko na para yun sa ikabubuti mo. Ayun. Thank you sa lahat ng memories, ng pangaral mo sa aming lahat. At sana hindi mo kami makalimutan. Andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. kung kailangan mo ng kausap. At saka, sana hindi ka ma-homesick. Yun lang, madam. I love you. Thank you so much. And I will surely miss you. Good luck sa journey mo.
You know when I come back, you know what it look like. Everything lit, all the girls in free. Everybody inside, sipping on a good time. You ain't got a risk, they can put it on me. When they wanna go, they know all my money show. I don't ever get it one way, yeah. Spinner then I get it same day, but hey. I didn't come here to party. I didn't come here.
Because half of my life I've been here. Like I've been with beautiful people, with my Musang family, UAA and Bingo mates, my friendship, my Tropang Pabebe, my IBN family, my Borders family, and every one of you really became a part of my life. Maybe this is not the end, but this is the beginning.
We used to be frightened and scared to try of things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers. Even if our last race were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here, tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughter and tears, not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years.